Do you know the difference that one word can make in creating the context of an opportunity? I'm about to tell you, no better yet, show you here in this episode. I'm Dr. Maisha, and I help medical professionals and physicians transform their mindset, empower their skill set, and create careers and lives they design. So, one word can make the difference in how you perceive information. I want you to listen to this sentence, and I'm going to put in 3 different conjunctions. And I want you to feel the difference between these 3 sentences. The sentence is, I want to start a business, but I don't know how. So the first half of the sentence is, I want to start a business. And the second half of the sentence is, I don't know how. Listen to how I put these together. In the first example, it's, I want to start a business, but I don't know how. Now, think about how that feels. A little bit icky, right? A little bit disempowering, like, oh, I don't know how to start a business. I want to start a business and I don't know how. Did you feel the difference in the way that those felt? One doesn't have to do with the other, right? They're sort of mutually exclusive. I want to start a business and I don't know how. Makes it easier for you to realize that you can actually learn how. Here's the third one. I want to start a business even though I don't know how. How does that even feel different from the first 2 sentences? Can you feel the difference? So why is this important? Because oftentimes when we are embarking upon a new journey, we often talk ourselves out of it with the word but. But if we insert and, or if we insert even though, it actually gives a whole new context to the potential opportunity. It makes it feel more achievable. And it has our brain begin to look for activities and actions that we can take to be able to fulfill upon that thing that we want to do, even if we don't know how to do it. So, 24-hour challenge. I want you to listen to your language today. Listen for the areas where you're putting that little word but in and invalidating what you really want to do. Then I want you to replace that with and, or replace it with even though. Another little word, wonderful little word that you could use is the word yet. Add the word yet to the end of a sentence where you're putting I want to and then I don't know how, or another sentence on the end that indicates a deficit in ability. Add the word yet to the end. And what that does with the brain is it triggers the mechanism of, oh, there's hope. There is possibility there. So go out into the world today, listen to your language, use the word and even though, add the word yet to the end of your sentences, drop some comments in the bottom to let me know how it goes. And of course, if you like what you're hearing, remember to subscribe and share. And of course, if you want to know more about how I empower medical professionals and doctors to transform their mindset, their skill set, and build businesses and careers that they design, you can visit www.drmaisha.com. You can download my free training, Thriving Outside the Box, and you can follow me on all social media platforms by going to that platform /Dr. Maisha. Looking forward to empowering you on the next video. Have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the week. Namaste.